Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm recording this class now so that it can help those who cannot log in or who currently cannot attend our class. So I will post this recording, our teaching in at Modo later. Okay, the link. Okay. So today we are going to learn about PowerPoint. I mean, we will continue learning PowerPoint. Okay. Last week we learned basic thing on how to how to open PowerPoint, how to type, adding slide, delete slide, and all that. Okay, and we also learn how to add design to your PowerPoint. Okay, so I'm going to show you now my screen. So this week we will learn on transition and animation. Okay, transition and animation. Okay. Last week we did basic of PowerPoint, how to create and design and formatting. So this week we will learn about how to what did I say? I forgot. Can you tell me what did I say just now this week?
Transitions and animations.
Transition and animation. Okay. Someone is paying attention. Alhamdulillah. Can you see my screen now? I'm moving all these things.
Yes.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay. This is one of
Yes.
the students, if you can see one of the students' work, okay, that I took, that looks amazing, okay, the way she did, okay. Thank you very much for doing your work. For those who send, who doesn't send, you still have time to send. You won't die yet, inshallah, for not sending, not yet, not until the marking time comes, okay. But I would like to remind you, please do send your work. On time is better, do not delay, okay? Because if you delay, the more you delay, the more you have to do. Okay, of course it's a she. I used to have a boy who can really do really nice presentation, okay? Really nice. Okay, so a very quiet boy he is.
Legend.
But he did very, very nice. Like you cannot imagine. Okay, let's go for this one, yeah. What we did last week was new slide, rearranging, adding and all. And then we go for design. Okay. Okay, design. And then I did say do not add animation and transition. Transition and animation, do not add. Okay, what I want you to do is just to add the design and some formatting. Okay, you see, a very short one. Okay, so say I'm going to present this now. Okay, you look at the button down here. If you look at the button down here, this is slideshow. I'm going to show you how it looks like, okay? Without the animation and transition. So it goes like this, yeah? Very plain, nothing, no effect, okay? So now say, how do I want to add the effect? How do I do that, okay? So what you will do is, okay? Let's go to, that's transition here, and that's animation. At the ribbon here, you can see. Alamak, Eliza get to. Hi, Eliza. Is Eliza in already now? Hi, baby. She's not answering. Okay. Let's go here. Transition and animation. Okay, what is transition actually? Okay, what is transition? Transition is the process of changing, okay, like from one slide to another, like people, okay, if we are changing, okay, we are doing some transition with ourselves, okay, maybe changes with ourselves, okay. So It's the same thing from one slide to one slide to one slide. The effect that we put, okay, when the slide is changing, that is called transition. Understand? Yes, Abdul Hamid? So that is what you call transition. Changes, effect that you put when slides are changing. Okay. So let's say I want to put a transition here. Very simple one. Let's put random bars. Okay. I click random bar. I click at the ribbon here. We have file, home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, blah 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 blah. Okay. So I click transition and I choose any design that is that is preset. I mean that has been given to us. Okay, Adimus asked, are we going to use the book? Not yet, cannot because so many people have work. Lihan Yu, please do not send to WhatsApp any of the work anymore. Please send it to Edmodo. That's all. This is our second semester already learning. Please send all your work to Edmodo. Do not send to WhatsApp anymore. Okay. So I put here.
Teacher.
Yes.
I'm not added to the ICT group. It said that I left from it.
Who asked you to leave? Just
I
text
did
me
not.
later.
I didn't even know how to leave. I don't even know how to.
Okay, text me later. Okay, so let's go back to transition. We have random bars. Okay, I'm going to choose random bars. And then I don't want to touch on this yet. Okay, the duration on mouse click after whatever. Let's not go to that yet. So I go to apply to all. So when I apply to all, meaning that all of these will have the same transition, which is random bars. Hi Eliza, is Eliza in yet? I saw her name.
I'm in.
Alhamdulillah. Hi baby, how are you? I'm so sorry, but I record this just for you, okay? In case if you still cannot come in, I will post this to Edmodo. See, just for you.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's go back here to our animation and transition and animation. Eliza, I just want to repeat, we are going to learn on transition and animation for this week, yeah? Okay, so I just started the design that we have, okay? So I applied transition, I choose random bars, and then I go to apply to all, okay? Now let's test our let us look at our how to say our presentation. Let's click here. Okay. So since it's on mouse click, the transition will only move the slide, will only go to the second slide and third slide and so on and so forth until the end of the slide when you press next button on your keyboard. Okay. So you have the arrow on your keyboard, you know, the up, down, left and right. Press the right one. Left is to go to the previous slide. Right arrow to go to the next slide. Okay, and we are at the end. So that is on animation. Okay, animation. Now let's go to no, that is for transition. Let's go to animation. Okay, first we move the slide, meaning that we enter to the slide, I mean to the new slide. So after we enter, this is the process, yeah. We have the first slide, okay. We have the first slide, and then we go to the second slide, okay. Okay, see, another one what we have is, that one is without animation. If with animation, we have the first slide, okay, and then we show our animation, and then we go to the second slide, and then we put animation, and then transition to the third slide, and then animation, and then so on until the end. So that's the process, okay? So what I'm going to do now here, I'm going to put animation in the first slide. Okay. And then when I click next button, we will transit. Okay, we will move to the second slide, and then we will show animation here. Okay, okay, and then when I click next button, we will go to the third slide, and then when we click next button, animation will run. Then next, like that. Okay, so we have transition, animation, transition, animation, like that. Okay, that's the process how it goes. Okay, so now click on the text box, animation, say fly in. I'm going to check, okay, split. Okay, I'm going to take split here. Just very simple one for you. Now let's go to the second one. Okay. No. Click on the text box. I want the animation to be on the text actually. Okay. Can you see? When you click the text box, it will be done for you immediately. Okay. I have something to show you. Oh no, that one later. Later. Pre-order animation, wait. Animation pane. Okay. So it should look like this, yeah. It should look like this. Where is it? Okay. The title will come out for first, followed by the content, the body. If you can see here, you see the number. So the first one that will come out is myself, then second, third, fourth, fifth, until the end. Okay. This is for the second slide. Okay. Or there's another way to do, this is what you call build effect, where points came out one by one. Okay, there's another one. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm going to remove all this. Okay, I have only for the title now that come in. So what I want to do is I want all the body to come out at once. Okay, I don't want it to come out one by one. I want all of them to come all at once. What I do, I have to highlight, then I put float in. So split is for the title, for body, float in. And you can see the number here. It's different, yeah? All are 2, meaning this is the second effect that come out where all body will come out at once. Okay, not like the previous one when we have build effect where one by one of the point come out. No, okay, so for today, this is what we are going to do. We are going to put transition and then animation. Okay, and as for the animation, I want it to be like this. The title will come out first, followed by all body at once. Okay, let us see how it looks like. Okay, it will only move if you press the next button. Okay, can you see? That's how it looks like. Okay, let's go to the first one. Now, you see? Can you see? Can you see how it goes?
Yes.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So do you have any other question that you wanted to ask? So you will keep on doing this until the end and then you play, okay? Let's go to the second one. Wait, I want to see the first one. I put split. Okay, load in. I would like to standardize all my where all the title are you split. Split. And then body as float in. Okay, I would like you to do that the same too, yeah, because it will standardize how to say your presentation. It makes your presentation look neat. But for the time being, if you want to play around with this presentation, you want to add a lot of animation to your presentation, go ahead, I don't mind, okay? Okay, so this is what you are going to do. You are going to put transition and animation. As for the animation for the body, I want all I want all the body to come out at once. Okay, so after this is your work. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Good, alhamdulillah. Is there any question that you want to ask me?
Yes, teacher. We do our old work and put the transition on it.
Yeah, transition and animation. Okay, and then I will open one more section for Edmodo. Please end it there. Okay. I also will give you the link to this video so that all of you know what you are supposed to do. Okay. Or those who did not come in the beginning, you know, you can catch up for what has been missing that you have missed. Okay. So this is how our presentation look like. Simple one, yeah. These are all on mouse click. Okay, very simple and nice one done by Amal. Okay, thank you very much, Amal, for your contribution. Okay,
You're welcome.
so is there anything that you want to ask before we end our class and you can concentrate on this?
Teacher,
No.
should we do this by ourselves?
Yeah, who will do for you?
Okay.
Who will do
But
for you?
like I was asking that is there any homework or something?
This is the work that you have to do, right? You have to do what? What do you have to do? You have to add. What do you have to do? Can you tell me?
That's our transition.
Transition
Animation.
and animation. Yeah. So these are the things that you have to do. Ayo, I was telling this, right?
Yes.
Okay. If you are done, then you are done. But send the work, okay? Please send the work to Edmodo later. I will open the I will open the section there. Please send if you are done. Okay. So Arimus asked, are we going to use the book? For the time being, no, because there are lots of you who don't have the textbook. But the module that I use followed the syllabus of the book. Okay. The module that I have will follow the syllabus of the book. I will check later on what other work that you have to do also from the book. If some of you don't have, I'll have to find a way. I will have to find a way for you to have access to the book. Okay. But the syllabus that I have are following the Cambridge syllabus, and I'll be adding a bit here and there so that when you go to grade 10 or 11, you are already expert. Okay, you know already. At least when your teacher asks you to do something, you know that you have learned it from me. So I'll be adding something here and there. In the beginning, it's easy actually. It's easy. You just have to make it look neat and tidy. That's it. Okay. Any question that you want to ask now? Last before I end, and you can go and continue with your work.
No.
No.
Okay. So I will end our class today. I hope all of you stay safe. And don't forget to help your mom at home. Okay. So Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will end.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam, teacher.
So have fun everyone. Bye.
Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Bye.
Salam.
Bye.
Bye.